Okay, I'm gonna do a quick beehive check. I'm gonna see if you guys can come along with me. I checked a couple of weeks ago and there was no honey in here at all in the top boxes. And I came in yesterday and this top box is full of honey. So I need to add another box on so that they feel like they have a place to go and don't swarm on me. Can't believe how fast they put honey in these. Oh. See that? Is capped honey. And they just have this little bit here left to do. So I was going to change a couple of frames around, but I think I'm just going to add this box on top because this one on the end they haven't quite started working on yet, but there's a bunch over there. So I have a box here. I'm just going to set it on top. This is a big box, which I usually like to have the littler boxes because once these get full of honey, they are heavy. Like, I think like 50 pounds or something. 50 or 80 pounds. So hopefully this way they will feel like they have more room so that they won't feel so crunched and then say, well, we better go somewhere else. And while I have you here, my friend has a flow hive, and I'll show that to you. So let me try to turn this around so I can see what you're seeing. I gotta take my glove off. That is honey in there. And this is the bees working. I don't know if you can see it or not. Should be able to. Excuse me for this technical interruption. So the idea with this hive is it's a faux comb, and they put honey in there, and then you take these things, turn, and it's got a little spout on it, and the honey just comes out because the cells separate, and then you turn it back and they hook back together and they just keep putting honey in it. But it's pretty neat because you can see the bees working. This is like nature's TV. You can just sit and watch it and watch it. I'm so happy that they seem to be doing well right now. I had my doubts if I was going to have any honey at all this year. I put on an extra box than usual for them. So hopefully that means they'll have lots for the winter. Okay, talk to you later.